Okay, I'm about to say something that might be controversial, but sometimes you don't need to get into the root of why you're feeling the way you're feeling. And I know that's crazy talk because I'm certified in EFT, and when I was learning it, they do teach us to go back to the first memory or remember the first time that we felt a certain way. But what I've realized from my journey of manifesting so many things that I've desired, it's really just about deciding what you want and then working towards it. And of course, we all have blocks and it will come up. That's normal. And that's why I love tapping, because it's a somatic exercise, which means that you're healing things that are stored in your body. So these are memories, emotions, circumstances, and sometimes all you have to do is just tap and say, even though I don't know where this feeling comes from or why I'm feeling it, I still love and accept myself. And even though I cannot remember the first time I felt this feeling, but I am feeling it right now, I'm ready to acknowledge it and release it. And that can be the beginning of your healing and manifesting journey. And as you go through it, maybe things will come up and your subconscious mind and your body will reveal certain things to you, and you can just go from there. But don't remain stuck just because you're trying to find the root of whatever it is you're feeling, because you can't force this work. You just have to show up the best you can every single day. Decide what you desire and be consistent in believing that it can be yours. Of course, if you want extra support, you can join Become Magnetic at the link at the top of my page. You get access to a group chat and you get so many tapping meditations inside there and the formula to manifest easily and effortlessly every single time. All right, ask me any questions in the comments below and I'll see you next time.